We'll strain it. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your boy, the burly bartender, Rings. Just wanted to give you a different look. Today I'm here on the rooftop. Normally I'm downstairs. Come check me out. Hit follow, like, subscribe, and come see me. I'm right in downtown Silver Spring off Georgia Avenue. The address is 8229 Georgia Avenue. All right, I'll see y'all. Yeah. All right, so we're doing a White Gummy Bear Shot. This is an after hours episode because we're closed. But we got my man here and I'm feeding him all the drinks I made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's his birthday. We got some sour mix. We got some peach schnapps. Some ice.
Shake that shit up, bro. Woo! My boy. Yo.
We'll strain it. White Gummy Bear Shot.